Hold up.
He's done it, Daryl Selby. First opportunity.
11-8, game to Selby. Selby leads 1 game to love.
Very important first game. It's a very clever shot from Selby, but Nolan reacted remarkably well. And again on that volley.
8 to 10.
As you see here,
a game ball.
It's like a badminton shot.
It was like a fly swatter.
Can't give that type of player.
That's a great shot.
Chance.
He's
Wonderful.
got it back. Quick movement back to the tee there. An Englishman. Good pressure here. Oh. Suits you. Oh, that was quite beautiful from Barry Golan. Look at this.
11-10.
Easing it in with his chin.
Game ball.
So game ball opportunity to level up.
Oh.
12-10, a game to Golan.
So massive thanks for coming.
1 game all.
Oh, that's great movement.
This is good pressure though.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. That's more like it from Golan. Glimpses of why he got to number 6 in the world rankings.
4 all.
Getting quite tense here. Touch again, good work.
Oh, he's gone out of court, went out of court, so Selby has
11-7.
Golan
Game to Selby.
whacks his hand on the
Selby leads 2 games to 1.
Daryl Selby jutting his chin out.
So Daryl Selby looking a little bit weary in this 4th. My left leg went again there with that Golan boast. Oh, that's clever, that's clever. Just waited there, Daryl Selby, until you could feel the Spaniard flying across to try and pick up the next shot.
He's completely flapped at it and got it still on the wall.
There's a few trick shots going on here and some interesting movement from Selby. I think he's down.
It was entertaining. Both players having a bit of a smile. And there's
11-3. Game to Golan. 2 games all.
Wow. All right, John, calm down.
Well, that's a good pickup.
Oh yeah, he's played a decent rally. Why didn't he do that at the beginning?
And out. 8-10 match ball.
Very good under pressure there from Selby. Just the right shot on his favoured backhand side. He's very positive with that. Getting the crowd
and out,
even
11
more
all.
behind him. He's back into this tie break. He's going to want to let here. Well, no.
Match to Selby. 3 games to 2. 11-8, 10-12, 11-7, 3-11, 14-12.
Well, we're going to have an on-court interview very shortly. The crowd will definitely need a break after that one. 125 minutes, and Daryl Selby overcomes Borja Golan 3 games to 2.
Hand out. 2-all.
It's kind of like Godzilla against Godzuki here. Godzuki managing to make Matthew pay.
Hand out. 7-9.
So 3 game balls for the very professional Nick Matthew.
(11-7). Game to Matthew. Matthew leads. 1 game to love.
That's good control from Suzuki. It's better as well. He's doing a bit more. He's varying it and changing the direction.
7-all.
Well, Dasuki with game ball. Immediately closed down by Matthew. The width not good enough for his forehand. Put that away all day long.
And out.
There's a couple of hip
10-all. Player
adjustments.
must win by 2 points. Each player has 1. Down.
Oh, Matthew had him way out of position there. You can hear the woos from the
12-10.
crowd. They're very excited.
You can see Faris Suzuki really isn't going to go away here, and that's a wonderful touch.
Oh, what a lovely body position, though. Look how he gets down on this. Wicked body position.
And out. 5-all.
Oh, I like that. That's quite Jahangir-esque.
Oh, it's wonderful.
11-7. Game to Matthew. Matthew leads 2 games to 1.
Matthew just starting to use the lobs. Hasn't used them that much in this match. I don't know if it's been a tactic.
Surprise, surprise. It's been front backhand corner for Ferris. Just asking permission to do his shoelace. Yep.
So well straightened.
It was unbelievable racket head speed again. Front backhand corner for Dasuki. Sinks on the ball so well. But he created the pressure from the front right-hand corner where he ripped in and used the deceptive wrist. Right on cue, Parky. So Matthew gives himself 2 match balls and another place in another semi-final of this event.
That's a clever little boast and so well straightened. He does that so well, Suzuki, on that front forehand. Just when you think that he could hardly even get the ball back, he straightens it to length. He's in a spot of trouble because Nick Matthew is really sensing it, and there it is.
Match to Matthew. 3 games to 1.
Nick Matthew takes that 4th, 11-8.
11-7. 10-12, 11-7, 11-8.
76 minutes for the second quarter-final of tonight's play. Matthew overcomes Faris Dasuki, 11-7, 10-12, 11-7, 11-8. 3 games to 1.